kids. And for the contextual kids are from standard 6 to 10, separated by CBSE boards, Gujarat State Board both in regional and English language, Maharashtra State Board, Tamil Nadu State Board, Karnataka State Board and Telangana State Board. Okay, so now in this case we provide all the lab equipment which are necessary to perform an experiment. So that the teachers can perform the experiment in the class itself. We separately call it science lab in a class. So that the students get a hands-on experience how the practicals are performed and they don't need to get mark up the experiment.
दगडी जेवढे यूज केली त्याच्यामध्ये एकच सेल बसले किलोमीटर नाही बघा 300 मीटर असं लोड करायचं लोड केल्यानंतर वेगळं दाबल्यानंतर सिंगल शॉट 5-6 1B1 याची मॅगझिन कॅपॅसिटी 20 राऊंड कॅपॅसिटी 34 राऊंड 34 गोळ्या बसतात केल्यानंतर लोड झाली मॅगझिन कॅपॅसिटी 30 गोळा 30 राऊंड बसतात राऊंड फायर आणि हे ऑटोमॅटिक फायर सेल त्याच्या मॅगझिनमध्ये 20 राऊंड येतात आणि 20च भरले जातात हे सेमी ऑटोमॅटिक आहे एकदा कोट केलं तरी कसं आपला कंटिन्युअसली बाहेर कंटिन्युअसली बाहेर होत राहणार
सनच्या वरती रोटेट होतो आणि स्वतःच्या ॲक्सिसवरती रिव्हॉल्व होतो ते होताना काय काय आपल्याला स्टार्स नक्षत्र किंवा राशी दिसतात आणि नाईट अँड डे शॉर्टेस्ट डे अँड नाईट लॉंगेस्ट डे हे कसं फॉर्म होतात 365 डेजमध्ये येते त्याला पूर्ण एका सायकलला तर 365 डेजमध्ये 4 दिवस हे खूप महत्त्वाचे असतात ते पेअरमध्ये आहेत पहिला पेअर आहे तो इक्विनॉक्सचा 23 सप्टेंबरला एक इक्विनॉक्स आहे तसंच दुसरा जो 21 मार्च जो आता येणार आहे रिसेंटली तो एक इक्विनॉक्स आहे त्या मॉडेलच्या मध्ये ते मी तुम्हाला सांगतो दाखवू शकतो आता रिसेंटली जो 21 डिसेंबरला विंटर सोलस्टाईल झाला तो कसा झाला हे दाखवतो मी आता तुम्ही बघू शकता की सनचा सेंटर आणि रनचा सेंटर ऑफसेट आहे हे जर कारण मेन काय अर्थ आपल्या जागेवरती स्थिर नाही आहे ही 23.45
লাগাই এবং ভালো করে দণ্ডটিকে রোদে রেখে ভালো করে শুকিয়ে নিই আমরা দেখতে পাই দণ্ডটির যে অংশ দুটিতে গার্বেনিজার লাগানো হয়েছিল যে সমস্ত ঢালাইয়ের পর বাড়ির বাইরে বেরিয়ে থাকে তাকে মোর্চা তাতে বার্নিশের পরিবর্তে এবং বহু প্রচলিত লাইলন ব্যাগের পরিবর্তে
So he says that in his village there is this tree called gab which has a fruit and he has seen it that fishermen in the village they extract a certain so they pulp the fruit and they make a solution of paste out of it and they apply it on the fishing nets to increase its durability. He took multiple materials. He started with cotton with pure suti ka kapda, an extract of the fruit and that he calculated it to be 7.2%. And then he diluted it to 5%, 4% and so on, 30 cc of water on top of it. And he measures the time till the first drop and till the time the water takes to go through it. Right.
But the first part,
Right.
he made different concentrations.
Right.
He first extracted,
Right.
then made different concentration and applied on the cloth.
Right.
And applied on the cloth.
Right.
Then he poured 50 milliliter of water.
50 cc, 50.
Is not it possible that with increase in concentration,
Right.
since this extract it is a sort of solute molecules.
Right.
Here might be hydration of the solute molecules or adsorption of the water on the solute molecules so that their size becomes a little bit bigger and it can block the pore size of the cloth. It might be there that it is the blockage of the pore size.
No, उसकी फैमिली का और ब्लॉक हो गया सर ब्लॉक तो गीला हो गया ब्लॉक तो गीला हो गया
और कपड़ा कड़क हो जाता है और टाइम नहीं अगर उस पे भी हम कुछ डालें पानी कुछ देर के लिए जैसे इसके
जैसे इसका हुआ वैसे ही तो उसको भी होगा।
उल्टा सरफेस भी गीला हो रहा है, पानी आ रहा है, तो ये एक कलफ की तरह काम करेगा या इसको परमानेंटली या फॉर टाइम बिंग इम्परमेबल बना सकेगा, क्योंकि अभी इसमें आर पार हो रहा है।
So he's saying, sir, he's saying that this is not temporary,
Yeah.
but he's also accepting that water does
Temporary, not permanent.
not temporary, not permanent. It is somewhere in between.
कलफ like
Yes, he's saying that water. It's not that water does not flow through it. Water does flow through it, but it takes longer for the water to flow through it. That's it.
মাধ্যমে জল সরবরাহ করতে হতে পারে এই কথা ভেবে আমরা আমাদের প্রকল্প রূপায়ণের চিন্তা ভাবনা করি। সংখ্যা 197 জন, তাদের একদিনে ব্যবহৃত জলের পরিমাণ 18,620 লিটার, তাদের স্নানের জন্য ব্যবহৃত মোট জলের পরিমাণ 9,425 লিটার।
She wants to recycle domestic wastewater, as you can see from the title. She first did a survey in a locality of 50 families. So in this graph, she has collated the results of the survey, and she has noticed. So the green bars are data that she got from DWS from the source, and the red bars are the data that she got from the survey. Locality, there is an inherent lesser usage of water than what has been reported. That's the first thing she observed. Then she, in a bathroom, she attached these, as you can see, this filter system. Supply water is transparent, but these two are not. I mean, the filtered water is almost as transparent as supply water, but the wastewater is not. তুমি কি বুঝতে পেরেছো? আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ, তার কিরকম কোয়ালিটি আছে? So she had given the filtered water for testing, and apparently after testing they said that it is 80% germ free, so it can be used for basic necessities.
Everyone present here. Today I, Shreyan, is here to represent our topic, utilization of waste flowers in our daily life, under the sub-theme natural resources and management. We visited a temple and we saw that many flowers were being disposed into river bodies. In fact, every year 80 lakh metric tons of waste flowers, yes, you heard it right, 80 lakh metric tons of waste flowers are being disposed into these river bodies. This is causing the leakage of many harmful chemicals like arsenic, lead, cadmium, etc. And this is causing diseases like contracting cholera, hepatitis and severe diarrhea.
Did you use the manure on some plant and see that grows better when you put the manure?
No, we did not.
Second question is for the dyes that you make.
Yes, sir.
Do you need, so how quickly do you need to process the flowers? Do they need to be relatively fresh, or can you, when they are slightly, or maybe after a week when they are slightly degraded? And
It could be even after a week. Like basically, the color should be strong, so that it comes upon like the cloth piece. Yes, sir.
how long was it there? How long was the earthworm?
It was around this much, like one finger.
One finger long.
Yeah.
And where did you release that earthworm for composting there? So you dug the pits or you piled in the heaps? You made the heaps of that for the compost, or you dug the pits?
We
And
dug the pits.
You dug the pits.
Yes.
That semicircular pits.
Yes.
My project is a comparative study of iron supplementation in the form of different green leafy vegetables enriched kamarkats and their effect on the hemoglobin levels of adolescent girls. Anemia is a condition in which the number of red blood cells or their oxygen carrying capacity is insufficient to meet physiologic needs. To identify the effective form of iron supplementation for adolescent girls, I suggest a natural and low-cost supplementation method of iron to the concerned authorities. Need statement and relevance to the topic.
You have mentioned that it's iron deficiency anemia.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So how we know it is a iron deficiency anemia? What is this lacking in the blood to level it is an iron deficiency anemia? Simple question.
Iron deficiency anemia means the lack of red blood cells. That is, if the iron content is very low, that means it's iron deficiency anemia. That too for the
It's not there. To level it is an iron deficiency, as a doctor I can wait here. It's a serum ferritin level. I don't agree with this interference, but scientific approach is okay. So I must congratulate my that student is put in this podium to express us that it is a alternative. It's not an alternative. I must express. Kamarad is not an alternative, but it's an additive to combat iron deficiency anemia.
Title: Formulation of a cost-effective prophylactic disinfectant based on traditional practices and Ayurveda. No work can be achieved by one alone. A team support is very much required. The team that helped me to accomplish in this project is this. As we wake up from the bed, we pick up a cup of coffee in one hand and the newspaper in another hand. As we keep reading the newspaper, the hand with the cup of coffee trembles in fear. From these inputs, we tried to conduct an experiment in 3 steps. 1. Selection of ingredients for the formulation. This was based on traditional practices, Ayurvedic texts, and modern researches. So we reduced the quantity of mustard seed powder and increased the quantity of neem leaf powder. The other 2 remained the same. It was effective for 5 to 6 hours, and the burning sensation of ice was very mild. From this table, we come to know that the MDF disinfectant is cost effective, having no side effects. We observed that fumigation was effective when on enclosed doors for 7 to 8 hours. Fumigation along with spraying is effective in cattle sheds. Sprinkling on floor diluted with water was effective for flies.
To look at very nice presentation, lovely presentation. I want to look at your title. Can you just tell me what does prophylactic mean?
Prophylaxis means to prevent a disease. Measures taken to prevent a disease is called prophylaxis.
Nice. Good.
Team members is Saptabanda Mandal and Orpita Pandita. Guide teacher Saiba Khatun, Institute Poribesh Unnayan Porishod, Pupa. কথায় বলে ভেতো বাগানে ভাত ছাড়া আমাদের চলে না ভারতবর্ষের 70% মানুষেরই প্রধান খাদ্য ভাত
How many rice farming families are there, and who all go for high variety of rice, and who all go for Indian local varieties of rice? This is the pie chart that she says. So she tried different. She actually processed these different varieties of rice, the seeds of. She tried using very natural fertilizers like goat, like cow urine and all, and she maintained distances between the saplings, and that is how she came up with this very traditional method of cultivating rice as compared to what is being practiced by most of the farmers. She is taking
positive powder form or liquid form.
Some other does not give any indication.
Sorry, I didn't get it.
No, you said that some other leaves were also.
It's called Holkolmi Kabla, Holkolmi plant, Kabla plant. Yeah, so these are, I don't need to botanical terms.
botanical names of this one.
I don't want.
Here we can.
Sustainable use of available material for the effective fire retardation under the theme Science, Technology and Innovation for the Sustainable Development and sub-theme Disaster Management. Fire is the leading cause of accidental death in the most part of the world. It is a chemical reaction involving oxidation or the burning of a fuel. Every day in the newspaper, we read the incidents of hazardous fire causing deaths. So after the literature survey, we found that although this has been reducing a number of fires, but a lot needs to be done. So all the authorities aimed at reducing loss to life and property. We have studied the effect of natural and the chemical and the combination of both on the fire. We have taken water-based paint and mixed it with sodium bicarbonate and dyed magnesium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide. The naturally available corn ash didn't catch the fire, it relieves the combustion. So the natural waste, that is the corn ash, can be used as a fire retardant in the peat. In the 4th experiment, we have did a comparison between the oil-based paint and the water-based paint. In that we have taken the oil-based paint plus sodium bicarbonate, oil-based paint plus sodium bicarbonate plus borax, and water plus sodium bicarbonate, water plus sodium bicarbonate plus borax. In this experiment, we made a cardboard house and lit the fire outside the house. The embers were directly entering the house. After that, in the second step, we made the same cardboard house.
They decompose and they produce carbon dioxide, therefore they retard fire. That is what is your assumption or you are confirmed?
We have confirmed.
Do you think that these chemicals, ammonium chloride, ammonium phosphate, these chemicals can be used in our clothes?
Yes, it can be. No, we have tried on fabrics. We didn't try it in clothes.
Was there any attempt to approach a department or specialist to get this work validated, because it involves treatment with the chemicals and experiment on the fire, right? So it is not just hypothesis, it is leading to fire resistant dressing, clothes or safety measures that you are looking for, isn't it? So please continue your work with the validation of your work.
প্রজেক্ট টাইটেল ছিল ইমপ্যাক্ট অফ ডিটারজেন্ট অন হাইড্রোফাইড। এবার আসি প্রজেক্টের কথায়। বিজ্ঞান আমাদের জীবনকে নতুন নতুন প্রযুক্তিগত উন্নত করে চলেছে। বিজ্ঞানের অন্যতম দান হলো ডিটারজেন্টের ব্যবহার। আমরা যে এলাকায় থাকি, পঞ্চায়েত এলাকায়, সেখানে দেখতে পাই যে আমাদের ব্যবহৃত ডিটারজেন্টের জল একটি নালার মাধ্যমে একটি জলাশয়ে গিয়ে পড়ে।
How detergents affect macrohydrophytes, a specific species she was talking about, Ceratophyllum. So what she did was, so basically the way it started was she saw that detergent was going into a certain drain, and there was a lot of such and such hydrophytes were there, so that made her wonder if detergents actually affect these hydrophytes. He made 3 primary solutions with 20 gram per liter and 1 gram per liter and 4 gram per liter, different dilutions of the detergents she made as primary solutions. Then she further diluted, so then she took this solution and made it into a 25 ml per liter solution and 50 ml per liter and 100 ml per liter solution of this main solution, and she did that for all of these different dilutions. The first one was the main primary solution, second one was plain water, and then 3 more dilutions of the main solution. Am I clear to you? Great. So with these 5 dilutions, she did 4 experiments for each dilution. She saw that if the length of these, if the growth of these hydrophytes were affected over a period of days, depending on which solution she kept it in, and she saw that with increasing concentration of detergent, as the concentration of detergent was higher, the growth was limited, the growth was reduced. Ceratophyllum can absorb phosphate, and if that is affected by these different dilutions, and she says that her diet teacher took the samples for colorimetric analysis to university, and because she did not do the experiment herself, she is not showing that data.
It's a rooted submerged hydrophyte. It's a rooted submerged hydrophyte, और इंटरनोड से जो उसकी जो पत्तियां बहुत मई यूं गुच्छे में यूं आती है, ये पेस्ट्री आइसक्रीम इंडस्ट्री में बहुत काम आता है। अब इसको जो बॉटल में ये डाल रहे हैं, तो उसकी रूट को जो सबस्ट्रेटम को अटैच
স্যার বলছেন যে সেরাটোফাইলাম যখন এমনি জায়গায় হয়, এটি পুকুরের মাটিতে শিকড় গেঁথে থাকে। So she says that she took it from an aquarium, Ceratophyllum, the one that she used, and that did not have roots.
ये बॉटल में डाल करके एक्सपेरिमेंट का क्या सबब था इसका? बस एक
বোতলে রেখে কিভাবে করেছে স্যার জিজ্ঞেস করছেন।
বোতলে রেখে শুরু করেছি, বোতলে তারপর ডিটারজেন্টের ভিতরে সলিউশনগুলো বানিয়েছি, সেগুলো
सेरेटोफिलम फ्रेश वाटर हाइड्रोफाइट कहलाता है, लेकिन डायरेक्ट ट्रांसपेरेंट पानी में सनलाइट ये रिसीव नहीं करता, राइट? इसको खुले में प्लास्टिक की बोतल में यूँ सस्पेंड करना, ओपन सनलाइट में प्लास्टिक की बोतल में डाल करके उसमें पानी का जो टेम्परेचर भी बढ़ता है, उससे भी उसका नुकसान हो सकता है, हीट से भी, दूसरा डायरेक्ट सनलाइट से भी।
పరిమితమైనవి తిరిగి పోయి శక్తి వాహనాలు టీచర్లు కిరోసినోకు మొదలైనవి ఉదాహరణలు, వీటిని పొదుపుగా తక్కువగా ఉపయోగించుకోవాలి. దానితో ఎన్నో పాఠంలో తప్పి ఆపు క్योंकि డీటెయిల్లు స్కూల్ భాగము చదువుగా ఉంది, కానీ గ్యాస్ ఇంధనం బయటపోతుంది, వ్యర్థ అయిపోతుంది. దానికి నార్మల్ డిజైన్కు గుట్టకారం అడుగు కారణం.
So his work is on saving of fuels. 3 concepts he has presented. Of course, this is a very well known, but the remaining things for cooking vessels, he has proposed to make the bottom in concave shape. This is what he did. This is a concave shape. So the heat, what the burner will generate, that will be maximum will be trapped inside. So the outside going, I think in the book he has mentioned, so the maximum will be trapped inside, so outside it will not be going. He took different kind of vessels. This is the one which has modified, and in this one for tea preparation in normal one it is taking 20 minutes, and in this case the one which is made concave it is taking 8 minutes. Time, as well as if the time is reduced, the fuel is also conserved. And the second concept, what he makes presents over here, if you are using two magnets in the opposite direction, due to repulsion of some of the forces, you know, gravitational, due to gravitational forces, whatever the weight, the mg, it is a weight, but here, due to magnetic repulsion, some of the weight, as he has shown already in the video, the weight is reduced. So if you can use this concept in the cars or vehicles, so overall weight, some extent probably, can be reduced. So if the weight is reduced, the fuel also can be conserved.
ओके, चल रहा है? ओके, नहीं, मैं ये चाहता हूँ, अगर पॉसिबल है, तो मैं सिर्फ ये चाहता हूँ, क्या ये बच्चा जिसको बता सकता है कि ऐसा कमाएंगे, ये मुश्किल आएगी, तो ये उसको कैसे ठीक करेगा?
He is advising not to take the wider one, the sharper one he is advising, so कोने में वो घूम जाएगा बता रहा है।
বিজ্ঞানী আমরা কৃষ্ণভাবে নারী শিক্ষা মন্দির চন্দননগর হুগলি নবম শ্রেণীর ছাত্রীরা এনসিএসসি 2016 যে প্রজেক্টে অংশগ্রহণ করেছি তা হলো স্প্রেডিং দ্য কনসেপ্ট অফ ইকোলজিক্যাল ফুটপ্রিন্ট অমং স্টুডেন্টস আইডিয়াস অ্যান্ড ইনসাইটস। এবারে ন্যাশনাল চিলড্রেন সায়েন্স কংগ্রেসের ফোকাস থিম ছিল সায়েন্স টেকনোলজি অ্যান্ড ইনোভেশন ফর সাস্টেনেবল ডেভেলপমেন্ট উইথ স্পেশাল এমফাসিস অন অ্যাক্সেসিবিলিটি ফর পারসনস উইথ ডিসএবিলিটি। দ্য গাইড টিচার হলেন মিস সুপর্ণা দাস। আমাদের প্রজেক্টটা মূলত সার্ভে বেসড, আমরা নিজেদের স্কুল এবং পার্শ্ববর্তী ইন্দুমতি গার্লস হাই স্কুলে এই সার্ভেগুলো করেছি, এই জন্য এই দুটো স্কুলের লোকেশন ম্যাপ এখানে দেখানো হয়েছে। এখন আমরা দেখে নেব যে ইকোলজিক্যাল ফুটপ্রিন্টের গুরুত্ব কী, অর্থাৎ কেন এই বিষয়টি নিয়ে আমরা প্রজেক্টটা করতে উৎসাহী হলাম। ইকোলজিক্যাল ফুটপ্রিন্ট হচ্ছে একটা কম্পারেটিভ মেজারমেন্ট, যার সাহায্যে আমরা পরিমাপ করতে পারি প্রতিদিন কতটা বায়োপ্রোডাক্টিভ এরিয়া আমাদের রোজকার কাজের জন্য প্রয়োজন পাচ্ছি কিনা। যদি তা পেয়ে থাকি তাহলে কিছু ক্ষেত্রে আমরা স্টুডেন্টদের সায়েন্টিফিক সলিউশন দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করবো এবং পরিশেষে তাদের সামনে এই লক্ষ্যমাত্রা স্থির করে দেবো যাতে তারা তাদের ডেইলি হ্যাবিটসে ছোট ছোট কিছু পরিবর্তনের মাধ্যমে তাদের ফিউচারের জন্য একটা সাস্টেনেবল লাইফস্টাইল তৈরি করতে পারে।
Set these parameters questionnaire the way to calculate ecological footprint, and then she surveyed 70 families in total. Twice after, the difference between the surveys was a month.
It's not 70 families, 70 students.
70 students. Okay, 70 students. And then she calculated ecological footprint, and she saw that for water and food there has been a reduction in ecological footprint when she did that after a month, the second survey. And then for things like transport and shelter and clothes there is no change. Again, for energy use and waste use there is a reduction, has been a reduction in ecological footprint.
If my vehicle's fuel efficiency is greater than 16 kilometers per liter, then my footprint will be -50 by -50.
উনি জিজ্ঞেস করছেন যে তোমার ফর্মে একটা তথ্য আছে যে আমার যে গাড়ি যদি তেলের মাইলেজ যেটা বলে তেলের ক্ষমতা যদি 16 কিলোমিটার পার লিটারের বেশি হয়, এটা +50 নয় -50 কেন, রাইট? দ্যাটস দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন।
কারণ সেখানে মানে ইকোলজিক্যাল ফুটপ্রিন্ট অনেকটা কমে যাচ্ছে, প্রকৃতির উপর প্রভাবটা কমছে।
She's saying if ecological footprint is going down, the impact on nature is going down.
ইউজ করি আর কি, মানে জানি, কিন্তু সবসময় আমার যে নিজের প্রাইভেট কারটাই ব্যবহার করতে হবে এরকম না করে যদি আমি পাবলিক ট্রান্সপোর্ট ব্যবহার করি তাহলে আমি সেখানে মানে যে দূরত্বটা আমি যাচ্ছি সেটা আমি বাকিদের সাথে মানে লেখিছে যে একই দূরত্বে যাওয়ার সময় যতটা ফুয়েল লাগছে সেটা মানে ধরে নাও ভেহিকেলটা 50 জন মতো আছে, তো সবাইকে ওখানে ট্রান্সপোর্ট করতে অতটা ফুয়েল লাগছে। আর যদি আমি প্রাইভেট কার ব্যবহার করি তো আমার নিজের একা যেতে ওখানে অতটা ফুয়েল লাগছে, তো এটা তো মানে প্রাকৃতিক সম্পদের বেশি খরচ হচ্ছে।
Follow the suggestion, we visited Mrs. Uma Devi, the mother of our group member Ankita, and where we checked the capability of this recycler in washing machine.
इसको वॉशिंग मशीन के साथ कैसे कनेक्ट किया?
हाँ बस
हरियाणवी दे लो, हिंदी वेरी वेल।
जब वॉशिंग मशीन का जो पानी वॉशिंग में यूज़ हुआ उसका जो जब वो ड्रेन हुआ तो हमने उसके साथ मोटर अटैच की।
पानी इसमें डालें इनलेट और आउटलेट इसके बॉटम से हो, इसका आपका कोई विशेष कारण है क्या?
Yes sir, because we have transferred that filtrate water to a storage tank.
सो इस इनलेट आउटलेट नीचे से होगा तो ये स्टोरेज टैंक को भेजने में आसानी होगी।
Yes sir.
आप कह रहे हैं पंप लगा देंगे, पंप बहुत तेज पानी फेंकता है बेटा, इतनी तेजी से वो पानी वॉशिंग मशीन के पानी को पंप इसमें फेंकेगा और जिससे जब छलके बाहर आएगा तो वहाँ कुछ समस्या हो सकती है। तो इसकी जो सबसे बेस्ट छलने की जो फ्लो रेट है उसको भी आप कैलिब्रेट थोड़ा स्टैंडर्डाइज करके देखना।
प्रज्ञाचक्षुओं के जीवन, अध्ययन और व्यवसाय में टेक्नोलॉजी के उपयोग के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करें। प्रज्ञाचक्षु जो टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करते हैं उसमें उन्हें कौन सी बाधाएं आती है इसके बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करें और खोज कार्य के लिए दिशा निर्देश करें। प्रज्ञाचक्षु को दया की नहीं पर अपनेपन की जरूरत है। सरकार तो प्रयास कर ही रही है पर साथ साथ समाज में भी जागृति है, उसका हमने एक छोटा सा प्रयास किया है। हमारे प्रोजेक्ट की कार्य योजना, डेटा कलेक्शन के लिए हमने प्रज्ञाचक्षुओं का व्यक्तिगत एवं टेलीफोनिक संपर्क किया था। हमने 100 प्रश्नावली भरने का टारगेट रखा था पर हमने ईमेल किया था कई को, लेकिन वो प्रज्ञाचक्षु ईमेल नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि उनमें उनको डिपेंडेंट रहना पड़ता है। के लिए खोज कार्य के लिए दिशा निर्देश, प्रज्ञाचक्षुओं को रंग और इमेज की पहचान ऐसे सॉफ्टवेयर होने चाहिए। मोबिलिटी के लिए स्वयं संचालित साधन होना चाहिए। मॉल और एटीएम में हमारा जो फोन होता है स्मार्टफोन वो टॉकिंग होता है, तो हम जो भी करते हैं उसमें वो बोलता है। जैसे कि मैं आपको दिखा सकती हूँ, ये मेरा स्मार्टफोन है, ये देखो, ठीक है। फिर मैंने अब मुझे आपको फोन करना है तो आप कोई भी आपका नंबर बोलो।
93
ऐसे हम लोग नंबर लगा सकते हैं।
हाँ, नंबर डायल करने का भी ये है, आप कर सकते हैं।
हाँ, इसमें और ये हमारे फ्लेक्सटो प्लेयर है, इसमें हम लोग पढ़ाई रिकॉर्डिंग कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। मैंने अभी तक मेरा म्यूजिक का रिकॉर्डिंग किया था इसमें, तो वो ऐसे रिकॉर्डिंग होता है। फिर आप कुछ भी बोलोगे तो इसमें ऐसे ये बोलेगा, देखो ये ऐसे बोल रहा है कि इस की को आप प्रेस करोगे तो वो रिकॉर्डिंग होगा। तो हमने ये प्रेस किया तो ये रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है। फिर इसको ऐसे वापस कर दिया तो ये रिकॉर्डिंग बंद हो गया।
करोगी आगे?
मैं काम करूँगी वो तो मुझे नहीं पता, और एक्चुअली मैं तो ये चाहती हूँ कि जो टेक्नोलॉजी आए उसकी मैं प्रज्ञाचक्षुओं को तालीम दे पाऊँ। एक्चुअली में अभी कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी न्यू आई है, लेकिन क्या होता है कि जो टेक्नोलॉजी न्यू आती है ना उसको प्रज्ञाचक्षुओं को पता नहीं होता, इसलिए उनको ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए जिससे उन्हें टेक्नोलॉजी के जो नई टेक्नोलॉजी आती है उनके बारे में उनको इंफॉर्मेशन मिले।
I have taken the subtheme is lifestyle and livelihood, and my topic is the study of Bonda tribe lifestyle of Malkangiri district. First of all, why I selected this topic? First, Malkangiri is a totally tribe-dominated area, full of many tribes like Bonda, Bidai, Koya, and Desya. First of all, I want to take like Bonda because mainly Bonda tribes are living in Malkangiri. They are compiled in one place, and they are living, and the place is known as Bonda Ghati. They were living in a hill station.
Beautiful presentation. Now tell me who has prepared this chart.
Sir, our friends will prepare the chart.
Your friends. I want to ask you that is this the form of art form of this Bonda tribe?
Yes, sir. We have when we have surveyed in Bonda Ghati, so we have saw their culture and we have made these charts.
We all know that earthquakes causes a great loss to the human society as well as to the environment. The question then arises that how can we really reduce the impact of these earthquakes? The answer is simply that we do not have a proper solution. Well, we have a proper solution. We have come up with a proper solution, and that is the SST groups. Right, another brick can be here, and that's how we can construct a wall. So basically, it is helpful for making walls and all those arrangements which is necessary in building a house. Coming on to the floods, we all know that due to the growing urbanization, the natural flow of water has been disrupted. the water is not able to go into the soil because of the non-water absorbing roots which we have. That means the water starts collecting above the root because of the non-water absorbing roots. Talking about the greenery and all that stuff, basically this city supports greenery because nature is the natural water absorbing element.
Today I am standing here to present my project, Innovative Fish Feed. As aquarium fish keeping is the second largest hobby of the world, we have selected this project. Aquarium fish keeping is an ancient hobby which was nurtured and developed by Chinese and Japanese monks. This hobby was found to be helpful for relieving stress and tension and also gave an aesthetic sense of surroundings. During early periods, people used to keep these beautiful colored fishes in the garden ponds, but the modern times have seen beautiful aquarium tanks in all shapes and sizes, in which now it is possible to keep these fishes has become still easier by manipulating the environment and most importantly their food habits. I will give a basic recipe for 1 kg feed. A combination of rice bran and wheat flour. It uses carbohydrates and also is a good source of vitamins. Corn, a vegetable plant. Most vegetables get protein. It gives us fiber capacity. Soya bean. We have roasted the soya bean seeds and grind to use it. Dried fish powder. It gives us animal protein. We have grind and use it.
Yeah, Mustafa, you have given a very good presentation. Congratulations to you. One thing I would like to know is, in your composition, you see, you have mixed the ingredients you have mixed. So it's one composition. Try to look at 150 grams and this one 400
No, we
grams.
have made only 1 kg.
One composition, yeah. And this composition of this feed is good for aquarium fishes, which you also experimented goldfish and another their body, weight and length also. Aquaculture and
We can use for any fishes, but we are from feeding it in the pond. We can't go and feed half to see that the fishes are eating which fishes eating and which not.
My subtheme is lifestyle and livelihood. The title of the project is Impact of Teaching Methodology on Learning Science for Visually Challenged Children, thereby gaining confidence to go for higher education like engineering for their better lifestyle and livelihood, which can bring elevation in their lifestyle and livelihood. Education is the only weapon for visually challenged children to lead their life in this competitive world. But most of the visually challenged children are prefer to go for non-science subjects like history, economics, civics. And most of them have become chartered accountants, professors in universities and lawyers. But they are not at all showing interest to go for engineering field due to lack of confidence in understanding science subject. Microcontroller receives that voltage and detects as 1. And when there is no voltage, it reads as 0. And microcontroller takes it as input and that voltage go to voice IC. Voice IC read it as 0. When there is no voltage, it read it as 1 due to earthing. When we have recorded the names, it is earthing. That's what it works on negative logic. This is Braille, right? Script. I have written the whole project in Braille. And I didn't paste it in poster because most of them can't understand Braille. And this is the tactile drawing. I have made it with the use of Spurville and these sketches and all with the help of my guide teacher I draw like this, and these are the IR receivers, yeah, and this is the microcontroller. I said it's like a brain for the project, and this is the power circuit. When it is made on, it makes all the microcontroller receivers and voice ICs on.
In the future, is there a scope to shrink it and make it more accessible? Can you easier way?
It's not in easier way. I just need to make it in an easier way with some more improvement image capture. If I choose anything like this, I have to get the name of the operative image and with the voice.
very good.
ಸಿದ್ಧಪಡಿಸಿ ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ 5 ಜನ ಗೆಳೆಯರ ತಂಡವೊಂದನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಸಹಾಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೃಷಿ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಅರಬಾವಿ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರ ಮತ್ತು ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದು 1 ಗ್ರಾಂ ಆಡಿಎಫ್ T4 ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ 5 ಗ್ರಾಂ ವ್ಯಾಮ್ T5 ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಆಡಿಎಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಿಶ್ರಣ ಗೊಬ್ಬರಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ 100 ml ನಂತೆ 2 ಬಾರಿ ನೀಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹೀಗೆ T2 ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ RDF ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಳಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
They have conducted an experiment by using the biological fertilizers, and they had 5 sets in all. That they named it as K1, K2, K3, K4, K5. So one without using any fertilizer at all, one with chemical fertilizers, then with biological fertilizers. This is VAM, where they have used VAM. Yes, sir.
Penicillin, Arbacillin, Mycorrhiza.
This is a produce made by these children using the copra. The local breed of cow. ये cow dung और घी और हनी मिक्स करके एक व्यायाम करके बनाए हैं. Amrutapani. This is called as Amrutapani. This is a special combination produce made by these children. This is made from cow dung, that is local breed of cow dung, then the ghee from the cow and honey. This they have given to the plants and the yield is highest in those plants.
Our project is investigating the antibacterial properties of different home remedies. Every year, 17 million people die from bacterial infectious diseases worldwide. Antibiotics are drugs which kill the bacteria and treat the infections caused by them. However, over a period of time, the bacteria are getting resistant to antibiotics, resulting in failure in treatment of infections. This is a result of overuse and misuse of antibiotics by doctors and patients. Before the discovery of antibiotics, traditional medicines were used for the treatment of infections and explore the antibacterial properties of various home remedies and rationalize their uses in the modern era. Our experiment was to evaluate the antibacterial properties of various home remedies in different doses in a comparative manner. At 24 hours, in 100 mg per ml concentrations, amla, honey and neem began decolorizing at 16 hours, tulsi at 4 hours, aloe vera at 24 hours, while turmeric did not show any decolorization at 16 hours. Therefore, we proved that combinations of these home remedies with antibiotics or with other home remedies gives better results and their usages alone even in low doses of each other.
So MBRT test what you are doing, that is not for antimicrobial activity. It is to test just the biochemical activity, enzyme activity over there. And milk itself harbors lot of lactobacillus in it. So the source of milk that also affects a lot. And there are standard methods for antimicrobial activity. And your results also misleading with the standard literature reported based information. Means your assay method is not appropriate.
Experimented with the aerobic bacteria in the milk and not the anaerobic, like lactobacillus is anaerobic bacteria. The oxygen is used in the milk by aerobic bacteria and not by the anaerobic bacteria.
In what happens in case of this milk? If it is even the bacteria is not killed, if it is suppressed, if its activity is blocked, even though you will get MBRT positive. Antimicrobial in the sense there microorganism should be killed. But in this case, even though microorganism is not killed, even though its activity is blocked, you will get MBRT positive.
Give my best to work for nature resource management. My subject is visit cows and comes to be detected. We plan the various number of cows in our village. Fast 20 years. Thus we plan to improve the agricultural environment and cow growth. We go for survey method, mathematical calculation workout. We found the 80% of number of cows in our village. Use பண்ணோம். இது மூலமா வந்து நாங்க 6 நாள் வந்து கணக்கிட்டோம். அது வந்து 425 ரூபாய் செலவு மிச்சப்படுத்துறோம். ஒரு வருஷத்துக்கு நாங்க 4000 மிச்சப்படுத்துறோம். அதனால இந்த மாணவர்கள் வந்து நீடித்த நிலத்தை பயன்படுத்த தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டாங்க.
Surveyed a local breed of cows versus a foreign breed of cows. And she conducted a survey She's from that cow rearing family. So she conducted a survey throughout their village, and she found that there are a lot of differences in the data between local breed as well as foreign breed. This local breed should be encouraged, and it should be developed as per the foreign breed for the biogas production. There are many add-on services with the cow dung, the cow urine, and making like Panchagavya. There are many fertilizers. So this aspect she concentrated, and she made analysis over it. This is a overall nutshell of this particular project. My question is that apart from the experiment, how they can come to the conclusion that apart from the survey, somewhere they call it that okay, my cow is my manure is better, my farm is better, my cow gives more milk, it's okay. But is there any part of scientific part to establish that my cow now is better than
எங்கள் ஸ்கூல் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற ஒரு இடத்துல போட்டோம். இது எங்கள் நாட்டு மட்டும் இருக்குது. பட் ஸ்கூல் மட்டும் போட்டது செடி ரொம்ப இதாக இருக்குது. என்னால் அங்கே போக முடியல. அதனால் என்னால் ஃபோட்டோ எடுக்க முடியல.
It is not in a replicate way. He conducted the experiment.
Our topic is bioremediation of lead using microorganisms isolated from local area land workshop wastes. Our aim is to remediate the heavy metal by using microorganisms and Iconia plant, and to avoid eutrophication caused by Iconia plant, and also to make our Swachh Bharat scheme a great success. We collected the sample from local area land workshop wastes, Aviyur, Virudhunagar district. It was stored at sterile container at 4 degrees Celsius for further studies. Next we meet with some professors of Madras College to get an aware about our project. We can know that the bacteria, the unique nature, can clean up the environment by variety of mechanisms.
Degradation studies.
Degradation studies, because
Yeah,
we did not.
degradation or bioremediation. When you are doing bioremediation, carbon minimal media we are using when you are looking for bioremediation or degradation of carbon substrates like phenolphthalein. Such kind of pollutants degradation we will be using in that case. In different concentrations of lead over there, isn't it? So, to my surprise, I have seen in all the concentrations OD is increasing. In the optical density you have given there, if it is the lead is toxic, so if you are doing the bioremediation, see as the concentration increases, the OD gets reduced. Organism gets killed, so OD gets reduced. That is general what happens in microbial lab.
Sir, we want to grow the microorganisms immediately. This shows the considerable increase in the growth rate of microorganisms, Pseudomonas species.
Okay, just tell me, how did you collect the soil sample for analyzing it with solvent?
We go to the field and take the sample and store the.
How do you take the sample? Depth or anything? From the surface, from 10 centimeter below, from 50 centimeter below, or on the surface, just scrape the soil.
On the surface of the soil, sir.
Surface of
Surface of the soil.
സുസ്ഥിര വികസനത്തിനായി ശാസ്ത്ര സാങ്കേതിക നൂതന വിദ്യകൾ എന്നതാണ് അതിൽ ഉപവിഷയമായ ഊർജ്ജമാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ തിരഞ്ഞെടുത്തത്. ഞങ്ങളുടെ പ്രോജക്ട് സുസ്ഥിര വികസനത്തിനായുള്ള ഊർജ്ജ സംരക്ഷണം ചായക്കടകളിൽ നിന്ന് മാറനല്ലൂർ പഞ്ചായത്തിനെ ആസ്പദമാക്കി ഒരു പഠനം. ജീവന്റെ ഏത് തരത്തിലുള്ള പ്രവർത്തനത്തിനും അനിവാര്യമായ ഒന്നാണ് ഊർജ്ജം. ആയതിനാൽ ഊർജ്ജ സംരക്ഷണം സുസ്ഥിര വികസനത്തിന് അത്യാവശ്യമായ ഒന്നാണ്. നമ്മുടെ ചുറ്റുമുള്ള ഊർജ്ജ നഷ്ടത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് മനസ്സിലാക്കി അത് പരിഹരിക്കാനുള്ള മാർഗങ്ങൾ കണ്ടെത്താനാണ് 5% ചായക്കടകളും LPG ആണ് ഇന്ധനമായി ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. 51.79% പേരും ബോയിലറിലെടുക്കുന്ന വെള്ളത്തിന്റെ അളവ് 15 ലിറ്ററാണ്. പഠനവിധേയമാക്കിയതിൽ 96.42% പേരും ബോയിലറിലെടുക്കുന്ന വെള്ളം പൂർണ്ണമായി ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ കഴിയുന്നില്ല എന്ന അഭിപ്രായമുള്ളവരാണ്. തുടർ പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങൾ ബോയിലർ ഉപയോഗിക്കുമ്പോൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഒരു നോട്ടീസ് ആക്കി ചായക്കടകൾ വിതരണം ചെയ്യുകയും അവരെ പറഞ്ഞ് മനസ്സിലാക്കുകയും ചെയ്തു. ഇതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ പഞ്ചായത്ത് ഓഫീസിൽ വെച്ച് അവർക്കായി ഒരു ബോധവൽക്കരണ പരിപാടി സംഘടിപ്പിക്കുകയും ചെയ്തു. താങ്ക് യു.
Addressing a local issue of particularly villages of Kerala. It's a practice. There is anywhere in the village of one of the states where they have taken is a sort of boiler. It is if if you anywhere go travel in Kerala, you know every corner of every cell you will see a boiler of tea boiler. That's a habit people have to, just like our area is not being fast, there will be a boiler coming. People want it there immediate, freshly made tea. That is only habit there. And from morning to evening, the boiler will be working.
Under the focal theme, science, technology and innovation for sustainable development. Under the sub-theme, lifestyles and livelihoods, we have selected our topic as Plum. Analysis and development of innovative and eco-friendly material from LDPE waste plastic and sand. As we all know, nowadays, waste plastic and management of waste plastics are the biggest problem we are facing. Plastics are non-biodegradable and cause environmental pollution. LDPE plastics are non-recyclable and cause more environmental pollution. So the main objectives of our study are to know the usage and harms of plastic in our study area and to produce an innovative, eco-friendly and cost-effective material from LDPE waste plastic and sand. First the environment, and I can tell that my project is 100% environmental friendly project. After the reaction takes place, we can separate calcium carbonate from water by using this mechanism. So, to prove the efficiency of Plama has undergone several field and laboratory tests. On the basis of the tests conducted on Plama, I can tell that Plama has the hardness of 114 BHL and compression strength of 1,400 megapascal, which is equal to 2,50,300 BHL.
For good work. You told that the CO that is emitted in melting of the glass state.
Yes.
Is it only CO that
No.
is?
It is any other dioxins, hydrocarbon gases.
Mixture of gases
mixture of
will be
many gases.
produced.
In the industrial scale, we can use iridium as a catalyst, and we can convert all the hydrocarbon or dioxins into carbon dioxide. So then the carbon dioxide can be converted into calcium carbonate from.
So can you please help me know that how can we store that carbon monoxide in that chamber and channelize and separate that from the mixture of emitted gases?
We can store in the industrial level. We can store all the gases in one chamber because otherwise we have to the reaction should be continuously taken.
So that mixture of gases
Ah,
that is
sir,
also
sir.
containing carbon monoxide will be stored.
Yes, sir.
వ్యర్థాలను రీసైక్లింగ్ చేయడం ద్వారా మనం బయోమాస్ పెల్లెట్స్ వాటిని మనం తయారు చేసుకోవచ్చు. అయితే మా తండాలో కట్టెల పొయ్యి మీద వంట చేస్తారు. దానివల్ల దాని నుంచి వచ్చే పొగ వల్ల వారి ఆరోగ్యం దెబ్బతింటుంది మరియు వాతావరణం కాలుష్యం అవుతుంది. దీన్ని ఎలా నివారించాలనేదే నా ప్రాజెక్ట్. లిక్విడ్స్ ఏమో 60% కాలుష్యం అవుతుంది, సాయిల్స్ ఏమో 20%, బిళ్ళలు అవి 15%. అదే రిపెల్లెంట్స్ వాడడం వల్ల 5% కాలుష్యం అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి వీటిని మనం యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. వీటిని యూజ్ చేయడం వలన మన పర్యావరణాన్ని రక్షించిన వాళ్ళం అవుతాం. అదేవిధంగా అంగవైకల్యం ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కూడా వీటిని యూజ్ చేసుకొని వాళ్ళు కూడా అంటే మేము కూడా పనిచేస్తున్నాం, మాకు కూడా ఆదాయం వస్తుంది, అందరిలాగా మేము కూడా పనిచేస్తున్నాం.
And she concluded that is because of the smoke that is coming out. So she did basically a bioaccumulation work. She has collected various material, the leaves and azulea plants, Iconia plants, which is a deadly pollutant. She collected all those things and dried, and for gummy kind of thing she has used initially tamarind seeds, and she has made a thick paste of it. And in the state level, when it was advised to her to modify not to use the tamarind because it is having commercial value, she has gone for other forest based seed materials, and she has extracted the protein and carbohydrate portion of it. And by mixing the waste, sawdust and the plant waste, leaves, all those things, she has made a press. And by using the plastic shapes, the plastic bottles, she has cut into round pieces. In normal case, 3 minutes are required for one plant. So with bioaccumulation, she has gone with the various applications. These are the mosquito coils applications also she has explained.
Actually, ये खुद नहीं बनाया, नहीं बनाई
That is immersion that he has done. Actually, here is important.
How will she measure the calorific calories?
Then calorific value not now, but 1000 kilocalories వచ్చిందని చెప్తున్నావు కదా, how did you calculate it? ఎలా మెజర్ చేశావు? Yeah, how did you measure it?
Saint Basila Metric High Secondary School. Title of our project is Charging Without Charging. இந்த ஐடியா எங்களுக்கு எப்படி கிடைச்சதுன்னா, ஒரு நார்மலான டாய் கார் வேணும்னா நாங்கள் டாய் கார் ரோல் பண்ணும்போது ஒரு பல்ப் க்ளோ வச்சு, அது எப்படி க்ளோ வச்சுன்னு நாங்கள் பார்த்தா அது ஒரு டிசி மோட்டர். அப்போ தான் டிசி மோட்டர் வந்து கரண்ட் ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு தெரியும். அப்போ நார்மலாக அதை ஒரு ஹேண்டில் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணி சுற்றுறப்ப மொபைல் சார்ஜர் தான் பார்த்தோம். அப்போ அதுக்கு ஆர்பிஎம் ரேஞ்சும் பத்தலை, எங்களுக்கு கரண்ட் ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுற ரேஞ்சும் பத்தலை.
Particular team, they found that Chinese toy, it produced light. During that toy was running, ultimately the DC motor produced the current. So based on that idea, this team was trying to make the same the equipment which is attached to make a charging of mobile. But unfortunately, it cannot produce sufficient current. Then they find out the technology. They found that the DC motor, which produces less amount of current, it may not be possible. Then they increased to the size of the motor, the amount of the 6 to 12 volt motor was replaced, but the RPM was very less. That much RPM they were not able to provide. This product was shown to the Blind Society in Tamil Nadu, and they are very much appreciated, and they are willing to develop this product and making a copies for another blind group. This is the innovation behind the project. Mounted on that, this particular device can able to charge the bigger devices like charger, light, emergency light, up to laptops and up to 12 volt gadgets. He developed into little higher side of the electricity production.
Many years back, had designed at his home. They didn't have electricity, so she used the bicycle kind of model and running the pedal and started that device to charge battery and illuminate the house. So you know that principle of the working, and many at the places and in the earlier bicycles also the dynamo was used and the bulb was used to illuminate. So how this device or its working principle is different from available kind of those similar kind of things.
He said that it is portable. It is very small, and it is for small gadgets which produce the 3 volt current. So that is the dynamo kind of thing which needs a very big devices. He said that this is the innovation.
Please use that plastic in the useful food. One day I was on the way to my friend Harrison. I saw that people are throwing the garbage in the roadside, which is consisting of both degradable and non-degradable things. Throwing of garbage in this manner is unhygienic. So we discussed to bring the awareness among the people about the disposal of garbage in a proper manner. We discussed we went on a survey in 100 homes in Shivajinagar, Carpet and PJ Extension.
It's a P-joint here and the pipe and again a P-joint form this part. In this way, joining one part and the other, we form the whole clutch. Later, we added a cushion here and then we made a gap for the shock absorbers. And then we added a rubber base in the bottom.
So we have to look on that number of people on this.
Yes sir, but according to my point of view, you do not need to be deaf and dumb to use this clutch. If you have a broken leg, then you can remove the features and use this clutch. This is similar to the clutches available in the market, so you won't find any difficulty.
Was it tried with the people with disability there?
Yes sir, I provided you the questionnaires.
No, was it tried for duration, for the use? For the use?
Yes sir, we tested.
The class more and
I will tell you about activities in geography.
It has been very helpful for me, sir, to make the class more and more lively, so that They should not be monotonic.
The soil here is very fertile. Lot of thing grows.
We will, I will take lots of
It's all wild grass, no? You can make some use out of it. It will be great. How it started for me as a physics teacher, it was a very big challenge because I saw students who were very intelligent, brilliant, but when it came to physics, hopeless. So like, is this better? Is this better? Now you don't do anything. You just sit in front of a machine and then you get a printout. These are the corrections required. Very simple. Most of them tells me that it is on the other side of the mirror at the same distance. I said, how do you know? We know it because we stand in front of mirror. But if you want to apply any of your scientific knowledge, how would you know where the image will be? 90 is A and then B plus. Then it conveys marks only. So you are not breaking free of the marks. I had to scratch my head and then I said, you see, they are just trying to avoid this distinction which comes because of 91 and 90 or 96 and 94. Okay, now you know law of reflection, where will the image be? Okay, I know, I mean, if it was a longer workshop, I would actually give pen and paper to all of you.
If it is taken in 90 degrees, it will reflect in 90 degrees.
Yes.
On P itself, say, on P or
Fine, but you still don't know where the image is. I am saying that you know I is equal to R, but you don't know where the image is. This is a serious issue. I am sure, see, you are all scratching your head, I can see. I am not talking about those who are born with those kind of gifts, not Sachin Tendulkar. We are talking about children who would like to learn, but they don't know how to. You are not Srinivas Ramanujan, you can't visualize formula. Right, so where it came from? See, two images are very easy because you know what one mirror will do and what the second mirror will do. So two images are obvious. How would you get the third image? Okay.
So reflection of the image of this into that mirror.
How? You have to draw and show. You have to draw to show that that would be the third image. You forget only if somebody tells you that this will be asked in the exam. So, there is something in astronomy called Bode's law, which says if you take these sequence numbers, add 4 to each number, then we get these numbers, then divide by 10, we get these numbers. In a particular place where they are working, see, in part of the spaceship they fly because it's a gravity-free area. But in part of the spaceship, they are walking normally, sitting like anybody else. And then you would wonder that how does this happen?
Surface on the body will not have so much impact. In other cases, it will have a greater impact. If some air or something like that, if it falls on a rectangular surface or something like that.
Okay. You see that spinning for a space traveler would create the environment of gravity.
Oh, that is
so
also.
The area in which they would perform normal duties are on the circumference walls. So I have taken one wave, I have taken one wave, that series 1 is the blue color is one wave, series 2 the red one is a reflected wave. Maths teachers, how many are maths teachers? Anyway, it's still fun, even geography teachers will enjoy it. And you look at it, some numbers are there in more than one table. You have to simply tell me, guess one number, tell me, see the table numbers are like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So these problems are taken from, will not read them. It's some biology question which I liked, so I put it. I'm not going to discuss, I don't know biology. So I can't trigger your thinking on biology. But I know how to climb mountains, so I can teach them how to climb Everest because the rules are same. So I am supporting them, their efforts. I know.
Exactly, sir. I wanted to bring it for bio also. In bio also.
But do you know, if I tell you some secret, you will be surprised. The subject I hated most in school was physics.
Passes through the center of curvature, it just returned on the same means returned back on the same. But why?
Why? Yes, that's because they don't know that maths. then if it is directed towards center of curvature, then it is along the radial direction, and radius is always normal to circumference. So it's a normal to the surface at that point. So normal ray always rebounds back because I is equal to R. So I is 0, R is also 0. You people are troublemaker. Okay, you are always talking like this. Okay, but with teacher, that's not what we are trying to understand. You see, this is what we learn in science. Then we went to our physics teacher. And then physics teacher says to that teacher, and he looks at me, you are right, he said. I'm right. Now the teacher has a problem. Okay? Because physics teacher says I'm right. He shouldn't have, actually. I don't know why he said it. Maybe he looked at my face, he liked me so much. Before that, can I ask a question? Can I ask a question? Say if I wind a rope around equator, and in summer it expands, the rope, by 1 foot. And it still remains concentric with the equator. What will be the distance between equator and that rope? This is my equator,
Almost 2.2.
right? And the rope expands. So what is the gap between equator and rope? So circumference will be 2 pi times that, and it increases by 1 foot. 1 foot is 12, which is 2 pi is approximately 6. So it will be 2.
Rockets are essentially made with super strength materials, maybe ferrous or non-ferrous. SLV-3 was a 4-stage rocket. First 3 stages took it to space and 4th stage carried the Rohini satellite to desired orbit. The 4th stage was made of glass fiber reinforced plastic material called Kevlar. ISRO, telecommunication and telemetry purposes, we are using it for the weather forecast, and we can give advance warning to buses. ISRO was engaged about 30 years back on a program of worldwide program for the purpose of weather forecasting. ISRO has developed a phantom network toggling mechanism. The system comprises of an organization network. In space communication, so much of data is there which should be kept very safely. At the same time, it has to be handled across the globe. So this network is required there. Now this kind of network is used by IT. ISRO has developed a number of adhesives. Nowadays you are having a lot of adhesives, and adhesives have become part of life. Some are soluble adhesives, some are not water soluble. So all such adhesives are actually required in the ISRO are different. See, unless your project is identified, you are not identified. And if you want to get identified, then you must produce something which is worth identifying. A simple, in ISRO, we have absolutely zero collaboration in any field, okay? And almost all the fields of the science which you may be knowing are required in the aerospace. Or whatever you want to do, put your full effort, honestly. That effort is only 50% of what is required to achieve. 50% is the God. If you put your 50%, he contributes 50%. If you contribute 10%, he will contribute only 10%, you will be failure. So you contribute your 100%, that makes your project's requirement 50% fulfilled, then he contributes. So be thankful to the God. दर सॅटेलाइटची एक लाईफ असते. तर ती लाईफ म्हणजे काय? As long as you can control that satellite, there is a fuel, there is a rocket. small rocket which keeps on controlling the position of the satellite. समजा आम्ही तुमच्यावरती फोकस केलेला आहे, तर हा फोकस इथेच हवा, असा नको ना. असा असेल तर आपल्या कामाचं नाही. ते कंट्रोल करण्याकरता त्यात फ्युएल आणि रॉकेट्स असतात. जेव्हापर्यंत ते फ्युएल आहे तेव्हापर्यंत ते कंट्रोल होतं. वन्स दॅट इज फिनिश्ड यू कॅन रिफ्युएल इट. ओके, सो दॅट कीप्स ऑन रोटेटिंग. देन ॲट सम पॉईंट ऑफ दॅट विल फॉल. असे जगाचे एवढे सॅटेलाइट आहेत जे असे आहेत, डेब्रीज म्हणतो आम्ही त्याला, दे आर नॉट यूज. समडे दे फॉल. आणि सॅटेलाइट मार्समध्ये ज्या वेळेला आपला सॅटेलाइट पाठवायचा असतो, इथून जेव्हा रॉकेट जात असतो, सी ए रॉकेट ट्रॅव्हल्स विथ व्हेरी हाय स्पीड, समथिंग अबाउट 40,000 to 60,000 kilometers an hour. आता त्याच्यामध्ये ज्या वेळेला मार्समध्ये जायचं आहे ह्याला, इट गोज लाईक दिस, देन इट हॅज टू रिव्हर्स अँड देन इट हॅज टू टेक इट राऊंड लाईक दिस. नाव यू इमॅजिन ए बॉडी इज रोटेटिंग विथ अबाउट 40,000-60,000 kilometers per hour, then it has to go to one place, it has to revolve like this, and commands have to be given from here, which are reaching there by about 7 to 8 minutes. That about 30% to 40% people in NASA are Indians. Now in ISRO we have 100% Indians. so we are much better than them.
Why 30% Indians are in NASA? Why 30% Americans are not in ISRO?
Should give opportunity to every intellectual without a bias of caste, greed, color, religion. Then nobody will go. Everybody will prosper here. But some people are there who do not have scope, so they go there.
These shuttles are made so when they enter back into the atmosphere, they don't burn up in the atmosphere with the friction of air.
Now those sections are also made of the material which should burn. But in certain situations, see, after all, now if we say this is about 50 millimeter thick thing, and then we calculate through mathematical models and we say it will burn. But after all, it is a theoretical calculation. In some cases it has happened that very big articles of those equipment, they have not burnt and they have entered in the
The US Air Force gives its GPS to the Google for the navigation to the civil people. Is India planning to give its satellite, its positioning technology to any private company?
There was an incident in Kargil war when India wanted to use GPS to find out where the enemy positions are there across the mountain range. Governments thought that we must have our own GPS system, and we started working on that in ISRO. And now we have launched 6 satellites. Already 6 satellites are launched, and those satellites can provide GPS to almost countries from Iran to Japan.
And it took us long to realize that we are throwing it. Now we are also throwing waste in space. We are creating space debris. So what are we going to do to clean it up, space debris?
A fresh rocket, and then you must know where is the debris, and your satellite should not collide with that. And that system, we are having a very fair system. So there is no question of spoiling atmosphere or space. There is no question of making any attempt to clean that. It is a self-cleaning process.
So मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि जो स्पीड ऑफ लाइट होता है 3 into 10 to the power 8 मीटर पर सेकंड कुछ सर तो बोला जाता है कि जो हमारे अर्थ में सबसे ज्यादा स्पीड वही है, उसके हिसाब से डेज नाइट ये सब चलते हैं उस स्पीड के हिसाब से. तो अगर हम स्पीड ऑफ लाइट से ज्यादा स्पीड कुछ फाइंड करें तो क्या फ्यूचर में जा सकते हैं?
That is one part of science.
Yes.
Another part is of spiritualism. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Spiritualism is very thorough about it, and it tells you that you can see huge future.
Yes. Sir, myself Mohammad Sameer and I am from Jammu and Kashmir. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि the sun completely round shape है. Sun is totally spherical in shape. It means that it exerts equal gravitational pull to all the planets. So sir, why is the path of planets elliptical? I mean, it should be circular.
It is not that. I will add another astonishing element. Conviction. What is what? They have come to acquire a balanced gravitational rotating system. That's all that their ends it.
This question is, well, if you go to any place, you can see the signs of Save Mother Earth and so on. So can the space program contribute to the production of Mother Earth and pollution-free Earth, those concepts?
You can know by having different observation in different period of times. So, in lot many ways, space program is helping government machinery, NGOs to know the levels of position, characteristics of the position, their development, and what efforts are being made to avoid them and how fruitful are they.
Thank you, sir.
Sing is king. Give it a big hand. Even get हो जाएगा नहीं हो जाएगा अरे क्यों नहीं हो जाएगा और एक बार ताली देना ताली दे देना okay yeah friends it's a pleasure to be here. It's a great place and I got a great regard for the kind of work which is being done in Baramati. I always used to think of coming over here. I thank this institution, National Children's Science Congress, for giving me the opportunity. नहीं बच्चे का responsibility है. The patient has to digest the tablet. डॉक्टर का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. समझ में आ रहा आपको? आप ताली भी दे सकते हैं. अच्छा लगे तो आप ताली देना. आप कंजूस नहीं हो. 40 रुपए इतना सस्ता है जाति पीता हमारे लिए. Father of nation is so सस्ता है. And if I ask people whether you have read the book, how many of you read the book? If you ask the people to raise their hands, I wish to request you, have you read the book? Just raise your hands. अरे यार ये तो पूरा युवा भारत है. बेचो बेचो सीखो. बेचो बेचो सीखो. सीखो सीखो बेचो. सीखो सीखो बेचो. बेच के सीखो. बेच के सीखो. क्या होता है? अच्छा लगता है.
सीखना.
बेचने से सीखना होता है. ये नया चीज है. ताली देना ताली देना. आज की युवता का एक चीज है कि हम बेचने से सिखाई होता है. पढ़ने से थोड़ी होता है. 15 साल 20 साल की बच्चियों आज बेचने से सिखाया होता है. ये होता है बेचने से सिखाया होता है. No faculty will accept. No teacher will say that बेचने से सिखाया कैसे होता है. एग्जाम लिखने से होता है. पढ़ने से होता है. नोट्स लिखने से होता है. बोलो
बेचने से सर हम ईमानदारी से जो संघर्ष करके जो चीज़ पाते हैं वो हमें बड़ी खुशी.
ये बात ये तो है पूरा एकदम ईमानदारी वाले में बोल रहा है.
इससे लर्न कर.
आपको डर होता है क्या बेचने के लिए? नहीं, डर बेचने के लिए डर नहीं होता. ताली देना ताली देना. वो डर गया वो मर गया. बेचो बेचो बेचो. बेचो बेचो बेचो.
बेचो बेचो.
इसे लेकर तो देखो इसमें कितनी सारी अच्छी अच्छी जानकारी है, सीख मिलती है. प्लीज इसे ले लो, आप ही का भलाई है.
A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2 into A plus B.
That's great. Give a big hand to the gentleman. AB and this is AB. AB plus AB is 2AB. A square plus B square is called A plus A square B square AB 2AB. It's a very simple principle. I'll show one more. Book Murray, roadside people, uneducated, वो बेचते रहता है. But an educated person, when he sells civil engineering. He sells rhombus. He sells zero weight. He sells. We want ये 50 रुपए का है. 50 चीज बोल रहे हैं. हर एक रुपए. अरे साहब कैसे होता है? हर एक रुपए के लिए एक कंसेप्ट. 50 रुपए के लिए 50 एक मिला है। हाँ जी, such students cannot do it. Such are not eligible to take admissions. But the most important thing is that out of education, out of subject, out of teacher, which is the biggest factor? Doubtful. Is the student, is the subject, or the teacher? Pillar, Ashoka pillar. I make my students to sell Ashoka pillar. And Ashoka pillar is a hard product. When you take the Ashoka pillar wooden piece and sell it in the market, people just love it. And please understand, politicians make more money rather than the science and technology people. So how come political science, civics and can't have money making? Like actually it's much easier to do it, and there are many avenues for that. Please understand, it's only thinking which is required, nothing else. Short answer, I can't go more. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Any innovative things which we can done without any research or mechanics?
Any further? Ask again question. Ask again question.
My question is this any possible that we can innovate any product without doing any research?
Yeah. Yeah. It's only improvement. Okay? Gandhi has not done any innovation, any research. And all innovations come with an intuition, real powerful intuition which happens. So we can take more answers for that, but don't bother about research. Today with the internet, with the YouTube, you don't require to have a research for this. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Good while studying.
Wonderful. Good question. Yeah. How to be entrepreneur as a student? Very good question. Which one you wanted? This one? This one? Huh? Good. That's not good. So, give a big hand to this question. This is the simplest answer is that आज का पढ़ाई का खर्चा आज का पढ़ाई से आज ही कमाना. That is the best entrepreneur by a student. I'll repeat. मेरे साथ आप भी देना. आज की पढ़ाई की खर्चा आज की पढ़ाई से आज ही कमाना.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So, what are the differences between selling values from books and selling models?
Again, repeat it.
What are the different challenges that we will face if we sell values and if we sell?
बेटा शादी के पहले मत पूछो कि क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है. My point is that today's generation should not ask questions. You should go and explore and see it. That's all. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Sir, this is Sada Prasad Mahati of Cuttack, Odisha. Sir, is there any fund for disabled persons for selling things and by learning?
Yeah. There are no disabled persons in the world. They are differently able persons. They have got a much better senses. They have got much better abilities. I got a high regard. I got a great respect for these people. There are great opportunity, beta. Don't worry about it. Go ahead. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. This is Karthik, and my question is: in India, children prefer learning instead of preferring practical experiments or doing or working. So, what is the reason behind this?
Yeah. Actually, yeah. Would like to this? The question was that students don't like practical work. Actually, it is not that. Students love more practical work. Actually, the point is how to introduce it is important. And I think there is something wrong if students and youth doesn't like the practical work. There is something wrong. But actually, they like practical work, which I have seen even at my level. We'll take more as we go by. Don't worry about it. Go ahead. Thank you.
சும்மாடா தூக்குறதுக்கு மேல அவங்க ஒத்துக்கணும்ல காக்கை குருவி எங்கள் ஜாதி என்றே சொன்னான் பாரதி வாழும் உலகை அன்பால் வெல்ல செய்வோம் செய்வோம் ஓர் விதி போதுமடா காயம் உடனே ஆறுமடா ஆறுமடா
Em đẹp không
మిల్లల్లో ఎడుతు మిల్లల్లో లక్కాలంబో ఆయువతే మిల్లల్లో ఎడుతు మిల్లల్లో లక్కాలంబో ఆయువతే కన్నం కాటడిచే ఉరుదే కాటడిచే
Sorry यार दुनिया बेकार बिना सरफ सता
left. Although in life, some things happen for once, so in our heart, the moments will be kept.
শ্রাবণ বর্ষণ সঙ্গী